Hello friends and welcome back to the HSC Coach. In today's video, we are going to discuss the 55 National Safety Day and National Safety Month 2026 in complete detail. In this video, you will clearly understand what is the official announcement for 2026, why this year is historically important, why it is called the Diamond Jubilee year, the exact dates of National Safety Day, week and month, the history behind National Safety Day in India, the official theme for 2026 and its deep meaning, how industries can practically implement the theme, a complete month-wise celebration plan, the role of safety officers during the campaign, and the long-term benefits of observing National Safety Month seriously. So make sure you watch this video till the end because this information is very useful for safety officers, students, interview preparations, safety meetings and awareness programs. Now let us begin. First we talk about official announcement for 2026. In 2026, India will observe the 55 National Safety Day on 4th March. However, this year is different from previous year. The campaign is not limited to just one day or even 1 week. It has officially been extended to National Safety Month starting from 4th March 2026 and continuing throughout the entire month. This important campaign is led by the National Safety Council of India. The council has officially confirmed that the observance will cover the full month in order to promote sustained engagement and long-term improvement in safety culture across industries. Now you might be thinking, why is 2026 so special? The answer is simple but very important. The year 2026 marks the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of the National Safety Council of India. That means 60 years of dedicated service in promoting workplace safety, occupational health and environmental protections in India. 60 years represents 6 decades of awareness campaigns, structured training programs, safety seminars, industry collaborations, and continuous efforts to reduce accidents and improve working conditions. This is not just another annual observance, it is a historic milestone in India's safety journey. Now, let us clearly understand the important dates. National Safety Day will be observed on 4th March 2026. National Safety Week will be observed from 4th March to 10 March 2026 and National Safety Month will begin from 4th March 2026 and continue throughout the month. All safety activities conducted during this period fall under the 55 National Safety Day and National Safety Month campaign. Now let us understand the history behind this important moment. National Safety Day is observed every year on 4th March to commemorate the foundations of National Safety Council of India. The movement began in 1972 with the main objective of creating awareness about occupational safety and health across industries. In the beginning, it was just a one-day awareness campaign. Over time, organization realized that one day was not enough to create lasting impact. So it was expanded to National Safety Week. And now in 2026, it has been extended to National Safety Month to ensure deeper engagement, structure activities and meaningful safety improvement. Over the decades, this campaign has grown into a nationwide movement involving industries, government departments, regulatory authorities, trade unions, educational institutes and both public and private organizations. Now let us discuss the most important part, the official theme for 2026. The theme for the 55 National Safety Day and National Safety Month 2026 is engage, educate and empower people to enhance safety. This theme is very powerful because it focuses on people, not just policies. First, engage. Engagement means involving employees at every level in safety related discussions, decisions, and improvements. Safety cannot be effective if it is only handled by the safety department. Workers must actively participate. For example, organization can conduct interactive toolbox talk where workers share real hazards from their work areas. They can encourage safety suggestion schemes where employees give ideas for improvement. They can involve workers in hazard identification and risk assessment activities. When employees are engaged, safety becomes a shared responsibility rather than a top down instruction. Now, the second pillar, educate. Education means continuous learning. Safety knowledge must not be limited to induction training. Risk change, technology changes, and work environment change. Companies can organize refresher training programs, emergency drills, first aid workshops, and risk assessment seminars. They can also share real accident case studies to help workers understand the consequences of unsafe behavior. Education builds awareness, and awareness prevents accidents. Now, the third pillar, empower. Empowerment means giving employees authority and confidence to take safe decisions. Workers should feel confident to stop unsafe work without fear of punishment. This can be achieved by implementing stop work authority policies, encouraging open reporting systems, recognizing safe behavior publicly, and ensuring management support. Empowerment transforms safety from enforcement into ownership. Now let us understand why National Safety Month 2026 is more important than ever. Workplaces today are changing rapidly. There is rapid infrastructure growth, increasing contract workforce, advanced machinery, digital monitoring systems, and new types of operational risks. Because of these changes, safety awareness must be continuous and proactive. Extending the campaign to a full month gives organization enough time to conduct structured program instead of symbolic events. Now let us discuss how organization can celebrate National Safety Month 2026 in a structured and practical way. In week 1, focus on awareness and commitment. Conduct a safety pledge ceremony where all employees take an oath to follow safety rules. Introduce the official theme and display banners and posters across the workplace. In week 2, focus on training and skill development. Organize safety workshops, emergency evacuation drills, and first aid demonstrations. This helps in strengthening practical knowledge. In week 3, encourage participations and engagement. Conduct safety quiz competitions, posters and slogan contests, and toolbox talk challenges. Involve workers actively so that safety becomes interactive. In week 4, focus on leadership and recognitions. Arrange management safety walks, conduct workplace inspections, and organize safety awards to appreciate individuals and teams who follow safety practices. Organizations can also arrange health checkup camps, fire safety demonstrations, contractor safety awareness programs, and behavior based safety sessions throughout the month. Now, let us talk about the role of safety officers during this campaign. Safety professionals should prepare a structured monthly activity plan, coordinate with management and HR departments, communicate the theme effectively, monitor participations, conduct audits and inspections, and present safety performance improvements. This campaign is also an opportunity for safety officers to demonstrate leadership, communication skills, and professional credibility. Now, let us understand the long term benefits of observing National Safety Month seriously. Organizations that actively participate usually experience improved safety awareness, reductions in near miss incidents, stronger reporting culture, higher employee morale, and better compliance with safety regulations. A structure and focus approach helps in building a strong and sustainable safety culture. Now we are in the conclusion part. The 55 National Safety Day and National Safety Month 2026 is a historic Diamond Jubilee milestone in India's safety journey. With 60 years of dedicated service, the National Safety Council of India continues to guide organizations toward safer workplaces. The theme, engage, educate, and empower people to enhance safety, provides a clear roadmap to move beyond compliance and create a proactive safety culture. Let 2026 be remembered as the year when safety become a shared value, not just a requirement. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the HSC Coach for more professional safety knowledge, exam guidance and career support. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay responsible.